Revitalize and rejuvenate. 11 easy ways to naturally detoxify your body. Hello, wellness enthusiasts and advocates for a healthier lifestyle. At Vitality Vibes, we believe in the power of detoxifying your body naturally to boost vitality and well-being. Join us as we unveil 11 easy and effective ways to throw out the toxins, allowing your body to revitalize and rejuvenate. Let's embark on this journey toward a refreshed and energized you. Hydration high. Start your day with lemon water. Kickstart your morning with a glass of warm water infused with lemon. This simple ritual helps flush out toxins, aids digestion, and provides a hydration boost, setting a positive tone for the day. Green goodness. Embrace detoxifying smoothies. Incorporate green smoothies into your routine, blending nutrient-rich ingredients like kale, spinach, cucumber, and parsley. These greens are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that support your body's natural detoxification processes. Sweat it out. Regular exercise for internal cleansing. Engage in regular exercise to stimulate your lymphatic system and promote sweating. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or high-intensity workouts, breaking a sweat helps eliminate toxins and enhances overall well-being. Fiber fuel. Load up on whole foods. Fuel your body with fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Fiber acts as a natural broom, sweeping toxins from your digestive system and promoting a healthy gut. Herbal harmony. Infuse your day with detox teas. Incorporate herbal teas known for their detoxifying properties. Dandelion, ginger, and peppermint teas support liver function, aiding in the elimination of toxins from your body. Digital detox. Unplug and unwind. Give your mind a detox by unplugging from digital devices regularly. Take breaks from screens, practice mindfulness, and engage in activities that promote mental clarity and relaxation. Sleep sanctuary. Prioritize restful sleep. Create a sleep sanctuary by ensuring a restful and rejuvenating night's sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for your body to repair and regenerate, promoting overall detoxification. Mindful eating. Chew slowly and savor each bite. Practice mindful eating by chewing your food slowly and savoring each bite. This simple habit aids digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients efficiently and reducing the burden on your digestive system. Liver love. Support your detox powerhouse. Nourish your liver, a key player in detoxification, with foods like garlic, turmeric, and cruciferous vegetables. These ingredients support liver function and help eliminate toxins from your body. Breathe deep. Harness the power of deep breathing. Incorporate deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. Deep breaths help oxygenate your cells and promote the release of toxins, supporting both physical and mental detoxification. Natural nourishment. Choose whole and unprocessed foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods to minimize exposure to toxins. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provide essential nutrients without added chemicals or preservatives. As we wrap up our exploration of easy and effective ways to detoxify your body, we encourage you to integrate these practices into your daily life gradually. Share your favorite detox tips or experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness insights from Vitality Vibes. Until next time, here's to revitalizing your body and embracing the journey to a healthier you.